Good morning, students. Chapter 4 Basic Geometrical Ideas, Part 1. In this chapter, we will learn about basic geometrical concepts. Point. The simplest geometrical form is the point. A point indicates an exact location of something. In geometrical figures, a point is denoted by English capital letter like A, B, C, etc. Line segment. A line segment is the shortest distance between two points. It is a part of a line and it has a fixed length. A line segment being of fixed length cannot be extended in any direction. So a line segment has two endpoints. Line. A line is made up of infinitely many points and it extends endlessly in both directions. A line has no endpoints. Intersecting lines. When two lines meet each other at one point, they are called intersecting lines. The meeting point of intersecting lines is called the point of intersection. Parallel lines. Two or more lines that never meet each other are called parallel lines. Example for parallel lines are railway lines, steps of a ladder, the opposite sides of a swimming pool, etc. Ray. A ray is a part of a line that begins at one point and extends endlessly only in one direction. Curve. Anything which is not straight is called a curve. Simple curve. A curve that does not cross itself is called a simple curve. Open curve. A curve in which its endpoints do not meet is called an open curve. Closed curve. A curve whose endpoints are joined is called a closed curve. Parts of a closed curve. Interior of the curve. Exterior of the curve. Boundary of the curve. Polygon. A simple closed curve made up entirely of line segments is called a polygon. A polygon has three or more sides. The simplest polygon is a triangle. Quadrilateral, square, pentagon, hexagon, all are examples of polygons. Angle. An angle is made up of two rays starting from a common point. Parts of an angle. Interior of the angle. Exterior of the angle. Boundary. Exercise 4.1. Question number 1. Use the figure to name 5 points, a line, 4 rays and 5 line segments. The 5 points are D, E, O, B and C. A line is line BD. 4 rays are ray OD, ray OB, ray OC and ray OE. The 5 line segments are line segment DE, line segment EO, line segment OB line segment OC and line segment BE. Question number 2. Name the line given in all possible ways, choosing only 2 letters from the 4 given. We know that only 2 points are needed to make a line. So we can name this line as line AB, line AC, line AD, line BA, line BC, line BD, line CA, line CB, line CD, line DA, line DB, line CD. All these lines represent the same line. Use the figure to name line containing point E, line passing through A, line on which O lies, 2 pairs of intersecting lines. The line containing point E is line AE. Line passing through A is line AE. Line on which O lies is line OC. 2 pairs of intersecting lines are line CO and line AE, then line AE and line EF. Question 4. How many lines can pass through one given point? Infinite lines can pass through one given point. How many lines can pass through 2 given points? Only one line can pass through 2 given points. Question 5. Draw a rough figure and label suitably in each of the following cases. A. Point P lies on line segment AB. So AB is the line segment and a point P lies on line segment AB. Question B. Line XY and line PQ intersect at M. So line XY and line PQ are 2 intersecting lines. Their point of intersection is M. Question C. Line L contains C but not D. So L is a line. This line L contains E but D is not on this line L. D is outside the line L. Line OP and line OQ meet at O. So line OP and line OQ are 2 intersecting lines. Their point of intersection is O. Consider the following figure of line MN. Say whether the following statements are true or false. Q, M, O, N, P are points on the line MN. True. M, O, N are points on a line segment MN. True. M and N are endpoints of line segment MN. True. O and N are endpoints of line segment OP. False. M is one of the endpoints of line segment QO. False. M is a point on ray OP. False. Ray OP is different from ray QP. True. Ray OP is same as ray OM. False. Ray OM is not opposite to ray OP. False. O is not an initial point of OP. False. N is the initial point of ray NP and ray NM. True. Exercise 4.2. Classify the following curves as open or closed. A. Open curve. B. Closed curve. C. Open curve. D. Closed curve. E. Closed curve. Draw rough diagram to illustrate the following. First open curve, second closed curve. Question 3. Draw any one polygon and shade its interior. So you can draw triangle, square or any one polygon and shade its interior. Question 4. Consider the given figure and answer the questions. A. Is it a curve? Yes, it is a curve. Is it closed? Yes, it is a closed curve. Question 5. Illustrate each one of the following with rough diagram. A closed curve that is not a polygon. An open curve made up entirely of line segments. A polygon with two sides. No, it is not possible to draw a polygon with two sides because the polygon having the least number of sides is a triangle. So minimum 3 sides are required to draw a polygon. Exercise 4.3. Name the angles in the given figure. The angles are angle DAB, angle ABC, angle BCD and angle CDA. Question number 2. In the given diagram, name the points in the interior of angle DOE. The points in the interior of angle DOE is A. In the exterior of angle EOF, points in the exterior of angle EOF is C, A and D. The points on angle EOF are E, B, O and F. Question number 3. Draw rough diagrams of two angles such that they have 1 point in common, 2 points in common, 3 points in common, 4 points in common, 1 ray in common. So the first question, 1 point in common. So angle COD and angle AOB are two angles. They have 1 point in common, that is O. Question B. 2 points in common. So this is the diagram. Here angle AOB and angle BOC are two angles. They have two common points O and B. O and B are two common points between angle AOB and angle BOC. Question number C. 3 points in common. So here angle AOB and BOC are two angles. They have 3 points in common, B, E and O. 4 points in common. Angle BOA and angle COA are two angles. They have 4 points in common, A, D, E and O. Question E. 1 ray in common. So angle AOC is one angle, angle BOC is another angle. So OC is a ray which is common between angle BOC and angle AOC. Assignment. Complete exercise 4.1, 4.2 and 4.3 in your maths notebook. Thank you.